Picture yourself in the 2018 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle still has fewer than 20,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Wouldn't it be nice to take your calm place with you on every journey? You can with this MKZ. It's the refined luxury sedan that blends quiet power, the latest technology, impeccable taste, and expressive style to create an oasis of pure comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, power passenger seat, keyless start, active suspension, satellite radio, remote engine start, power driver seat, aluminum wheels. You deserve the luxury and security this elegant MKZ has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.